Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today's topic of discussion is reciprocals. Do you guys have any idea what reciprocals are? Okay, it's one of the easiest topics in maths and one of the really important ones too. Okay, is the spelling right? Yeah, it is. Okay, so it's important because it's commonly found in various questions. Okay, so it's something that's really tiny but makes a big impact. Okay, so it's one of the small packages, big explosions. Yeah, reciprocals. So you got to know how to deal with them, and after this video you'll be experts, so do not worry at all. So reciprocals, okay, is basically, okay, dividing a number, okay, by 1. So what happens when you divide a number by 1? Okay, so for example, you have usually reciprocals are for fractions and whole numbers as well, because okay, I'll show you about whole numbers later, but first let's look at fractions. So if you have a fraction like this and you divide it by 1, okay, what will happen here is a will go down while b will go up, so your result will be b over a. Okay, so a reciprocal, okay, for example, a reciprocal of a over b will be b over a. This is really important, just note it down somewhere, because whenever you have a question that needs you to find the reciprocal, all you got to do is switch the denominator and numerator. Okay, or if you're more comfortable with this example, okay, let me show you whole numbers now. So for example, you have a whole number like let's say 9, okay, and you're being told to find the reciprocal. So remember, any number, okay, that it's on its own, it's like it's over 1, because 9 divided by 1 is 9. Okay, so if you want to write it into fraction form, this is how you'll write it: 9 over 1, 6 over 1, 5 over 1, 25 over 1. Okay, they are all whole numbers written as fractions. 9 divided by 1, if you've been told to switch, okay, it's gonna become 1 over 9. You see, so the formula for all numbers is reciprocal is equal to 1 over the number you've been given. So note this down as well, because this is also important. So these are the two formulas that we'll be using to solve the questions that I have for you today. Okay, so let's begin with our first question, that is 2 over 3. Okay, so how will you go around with this? Remember, you use the formula 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. A over b, okay, 2 is your A, 3 is your b. Your answer will be b over a. Okay, what is our b? Our b is 3. The denominator will go up and become the numerator, while 2, which is the numerator, will become the denominator. So now you have 3 over 2. Okay, but then this is an improper fraction. If you want to leave it like that, it's fine. If you want to change it into mixed fraction, that's going to be great too. So 3 divided by 2, okay, you have 1 over 2. Okay, I just assume that you guys all know how to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. If you do not know, please be sure to comment in the comment section below, so I can know that you guys need help with it, and I'll be happy to upload a video on it. Also, I provide a one-to-one tuition online, so if anyone's interested, you can email me at funlearn@gmail.com. That's also going to be down in the description box, so please don't hesitate, and let's continue. Before I start speaking a lot, I speak a lot, guys, trust me. This is something really bad, and I need to stop doing that. I started again. Never mind, let's just continue. So we have something like negative 1 over 4. What is your a here? Your a. Okay, first of all, the new thing here is the negative sign. Do not get scared, just leave the negative in the side. Okay, leave it aside, do not touch it at all. All you gotta deal with is this one right here. Okay, so your a is 1 while your b is 4. Your answer should be b over a. What is your b? 4. Okay, what is your a? 1. So 4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay, remember, any number divided by itself, you get the number. Now you have 4. But remember the negative sign here? So now you just add it to your answer. So negative 4 is your answer. So the reciprocal of negative 1 over 4 is equal to 4. Negative 4, sorry. Isn't that easy? Yes, it is. Why am I teaching you this? This should be taught in grade 1, right? To second graders, kindergartners, not you, right? But then surprisingly, mathematicians felt pity for us at last. So, anyways, let's go to our next example, which is a little confusing, maybe, but then not really. So, this is 3, 2 over 5. Find the reciprocal of 3, 2 over 5. Anyone stuck? Hopefully not, right? Okay, so what you gotta do is convert into improper. I'm gonna write the steps down for you. Okay, convert into improper. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17, and the denominator remains as 5. Now you have 17 over 5. Okay, the next step is switch. What I mean by switch is take your a down, switch your numerator and denominator. So what is the numerator here? 17. Denominator is 5. So switch the numerator and denominator. Okay, 5 over 17. This will go up while this one will come down. Okay? So you have your answer right there. And this is your answer. Nothing to worry about, right? Okay, I know I used different terminologies in my first example and my second example. That is because I want you to use the one that's more convenient for you, the one you think you can remember better and more easily. So if you want to use the formula a over b is equal to b over a, great. If you're not comfortable with that and you want to just switch the numerator and denominator, that's also fine, as long as you're comfortable with it. Okay, so let's look at another example. Okay, so the three signs are, it can sometimes not be improper, sometimes you just have to look at the sign. So sometimes it's either improper or keep the sign aside. Okay, so it's either one of them or both together. Okay, let's look at another example that includes both of them. Okay, so you know a lot of concepts in one go. Now we have negative 4, 3 over 7. So you convert it into improper first. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31 over 7, and it's negative. Okay, look at the sign, leave it aside. Okay, so now you have negative 31 over 7, and then you switch the numerator and the denominator. Okay, this will go here while this one will go up. 7 over 31. Okay, now since you have 7 over 31, you return the sign. Okay, so when you return the sign, you have negative 7 over 31. So that's your answer. So 4 simple steps that you need to follow to get the best answer, to get the right answer, in fact. So that's it, guys. I just have more questions for you to practice. Pause the video and copy them down for your own practice. And if you have any problems, please approach me in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestions, you can comment those too. Okay, so first we have 5, then 3 over 4. Okay, negative 1 over 2, x. Don't get scared with this, just deal with it as a whole number. Okay, 3, 2 over 9, 17 over 6. Okay, negative 15. So that's it for today, guys. Just be sure to copy these down and work on them so you can become really good at it, and you'll be faster and you'll be saving a lot of time in exams. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I know I said that in the wrong order, but after so much math, we all become like that, so that's nothing new, right? Just have a good day, guys. enjoy, and bye bye.